Welcome to this Blog Feeder video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how simple it is to install the Blog Feeder WordPress plugin and then automatically post to your blog an unlimited number of articles, any niche that you choose for years to come in advance in a natural growth drip feed type system. The first thing that you're going to notice when you unzip the Blog Feeder software are the files that you're going to want to FTP up to your blog install. You're going to want to open your favorite FTP software. In this case, we're using WSFTP Pro. And you're going to browse to the blog install on your domain, into the WP content folder, the plugins folder, and then you're simply going to want to upload the empty Blog Feeder folder and also the autoblogfeeder.php file. Once these files are done uploading to your website, you're going to want to go ahead and log in to the admin portion of your blog. We've already logged into our blog here. You'll notice that we're using WordPress 2.7.1. Blog Feeder was created for WordPress 2.7. However, we've also tested it on versions 2.5 and 2.6, and it works with no problem on those versions. To install the Blog Feeder software now that you've uploaded it, simply click over to the plugins link on the left side of your dashboard. You're going to want to scroll down to the plugins that are not yet active. Under the inactive plugins, you'll notice there's Blog Feeder, and we're just going to simply click activate, and that simply your new Blog Feeder software has been installed. You'll notice it's now under the currently active plugins. To use Blog Feeder from the dashboard within your WordPress software, you simply click over to the plugins link on the left hand side of the screen again. You'll notice under the installed links, Blog Feeder is here. You'll simply click the Blog Feeder link and it's going to take you to the Blog Feeder campaign page. Right now, the first thing that you're going to notice is under the directory tab, Blog Feeder has found all of the text files that are uploaded to your web server under your WordPress install. Right now, all of the text files that are inside of these directories are files that were already here before we uploaded Blog Feeder. What we want to do is upload some files that we can use to create our future blog posts. So we're going to go back over to our FTP software, and we've already prepared some articles, publish on Amazon Kindle for cache articles. Inside this folder, you're going to notice I've got 23 text-based articles. You could upload these articles directly into the Blog Feeder software, but to keep our articles a little more organized, we're going to actually upload the entire folder. Make sure that there are no spaces in the name of the folder. If there are spaces in the name of the folder, the articles aren't going to work correctly into your blog. So we're just going to go ahead and upload these articles. As soon as they're completed, we're going to go ahead and go back over to our dashboard in WordPress, and we're just going to hit refresh on this page. And you'll notice the very first one that comes up, because our Blog Feeder alphabetically comes in this list first before any other folders that are in this file. The directory that comes up first is the Blog Feeder and then the Amazon articles. And it'll show you that there are 23 text files found in this folder. You're going to want to select a start time for these articles to start deploying to your blog. We're going to leave the start time set at the time right now, which is February 14th, 2009 at 1400 hours, which is 2 o'clock and 14 minutes. And then we're going to set an interval of when we want to post these articles. Say that we wanted to post an article every 3 days to our blog, then we would make this 72 hours. Yeah, in our case, we're going to go ahead and go for every 2 days. So we're going to say 48 hours, and then we're going to say 44 minutes and 14 seconds. So basically what's going to happen is every 2 days and 44 minutes, you're going to have a new blog post. And the reason that we're setting the 44 minutes is so these don't specifically show up at exactly 2 days apart from each other, because if our blog posts are posted at exactly the same time every single day, to search engines, that's going to seem pretty automated. It's not going to seem like the natural growth that we're looking for. Next thing you're going to want to do is select a category that you're posting these articles to. Now, this is just a sample video. We don't actually have a category for Amazon Kindle cache articles on our blog. So we're just going to go ahead and upload these into our internet marketing category. Now, every time that you run Autoblog Feeder, you only want to run a batch of articles that are for one given category. You can, of course, run the software over and over to load up multiple different categories with articles well in advance for years to come. However, you want to run it separately for each category that you want to post to. As simple as this, we're just going to click post articles. So literally, it's one click upload. Okay, these articles have been posted successfully. Now, what I want to point out to you, if we go over to our posts, is that out of the 23 articles we posted, the furthest one out is 45 days from now. The next one is 43 days, 41 days, and so on. All the way down to the very first article that we posted, which is actually already live. Posted 2 minutes ago. So if we click on edit on this post, we're going to notice that this particular article has a post time of February 14th, now at 14:16 is when it went live. Then if we go back to the second posting, scheduled 23 hours from now, notice the time on that is at 13:16, which was 1:16 p.m. on the 15th. And then we go to the third article, which is 2 days from now, and this one is at 12:16. So you notice this staggers the times, so it appears to be natural growth on your blog. Now that our Autoblog Feeder has finished posting our blog postings, literally in seconds, as you just saw, we're going to go ahead and go to our blog's front page, and you'll notice that the very first posting that we created, Amazon Kindle books versus ebooks, which is best, was automatically posted for us on February 14th. With a few simple clicks, we've got blog posts, 23 of them, scheduled to automatically post to our blog for the next 45 days straight. So just consider, if you had a file with 100 blog posts in it and you set them up to go out every 3 days or 72 hours, your blog would be automated for the next entire year. Now, of course, there are ways to do this manually through WordPress. You could just one at a time post these articles to your WordPress, but that could take you hours. Whereas with this simple solution, as you've seen, you can automatically build blogs in any niche that you choose with literally a few simple clicks. You can post 100 articles to your blog over the next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Schedule them any way you like with a few simple clicks. So that is the basics of how Autoblog Feeder works. I want to thank you for watching this video tutorial and wish you a great day.